In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and import bookmarks in Google Chrome. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to back up your bookmarks to a file, and then bring them into Chrome on another computer or profile, without losing anything important. Let's start with exporting your bookmarks. Go ahead and open Google Chrome on your computer. At the top right corner, you'll see the three vertical dots, sometimes called the More menu. Click on that, then hover your mouse over Bookmarks. A side menu will appear. From there, choose Bookmark Manager. The Bookmark Manager opens in a new tab and shows you all your folders and saved pages. At the top right of this page, you'll see another three-dot icon specific to the Bookmark Manager. Click that. In the small menu that appears, choose Export Bookmarks. Chrome will now ask you where you want to save your bookmarks file. It will be saved as an HTML file, which is just a standard format that most browsers understand. Choose a location you'll remember, like your desktop or a dedicated backups folder, and keep the default file name if you like. Then click Save. That's it. Your bookmarks are now safely exported to a file that you can copy to a USB drive, upload to cloud storage, or move to another device. Now, let's import bookmarks into Chrome. On the new computer or profile where you want your bookmarks, open Google Chrome. Again, go to the three dots in the top right corner, hover over Bookmarks, and select Bookmark Manager. Once the Bookmark Manager tab is open, click the three-dot icon in the top right of that page. This time, choose Import Bookmarks. A file browser window will open. Navigate to the HTML file you exported earlier, select it, and click Open. Chrome will read that file and add all the bookmarks it finds. Usually, they're placed into a folder called Imported or something similar, which you'll see in your bookmarks list. From there, you can drag and drop them into other folders, reorganize them, or leave them as they are. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Exporting your bookmarks regularly is a great habit, especially if you're about to reinstall your system or switch devices. And because the file is just HTML, you can also import it into other browsers that support bookmark imports. That's all you need to export and import bookmarks in Google Chrome.